Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a light and dark mode feature for your website. We can do this by making the background color of our website change. We are going to create a button that will let the user switch between a white or black background. So firstly we need to make a select element. We're just going to type select and we're going to put name to CLR and then we're going to type on change document.bg color document.bg capital C OLOR, like that, equals this dot options, and then in square brackets we're going to type this dot selected index, capital I for index, and then we're going to, outside of the brackets, put dot value. Now we're going to type size equals 1, and you can change this to make it bigger, but for now that's okay. Now we're going to type BR just to make a line in between, and then we're going to type option value equals white, and then we're going to close it off and we're going to type white so that we see the word white, and then we're going to copy this line and paste it below. I'm going to type black here and black also here. Now we're going to do a slash option, so that slash option just like that, and now we can see on the right that we've got a button. If we click on it we can choose between white and black, and if we click on black then the background goes black, hence making a light and dark mode. You can also add other color options. For example, we could add green and we would type option equals value and we'd select it to green and also type green here. And now if we click on green, the background goes to green. So that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.